Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the max frame rate in Catmail Co. Let's begin by opening settings. From here, select settings and scroll down. Go to graphics and look for target frame rate. As you can see, it is currently grayed out. That's because I have VSync enabled. Disable it to change the target frame rate manually. As you can see, you can pick between 30, 60, 90, 120 and 144, 165, 240, 480 and unlimited max frame rate. Select one of them, it doesn't matter which one, honestly. At least it doesn't matter to me for the sake of demonstration. For your sake, pick the one that's best for your PC. I'll stick with 60. Of course, remember, if you make any changes, enabling VSync will set you back to your monitor's refresh rate. For me, it's 60 Hertz, so 60 FPS. Once you are happy, simply press the back button, the changes will be saved automatically. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.